Okay, so this video is going to explain week 1 homework and assignments. So we're going to go into the content, and we're going to go to Unit 1, and this week's activity is 1.1. What do I know about myself as a learner? Okay. So this is what we did together on Tuesday night. Okay, so you can read through this. You can look at the answers. This is some of the stuff we discussed. Okay. This is about the 3 different types of learners. So visual, auditory, and kinesthetic, which will be part of your homework. This is an interactive activity to kind of get you to know what type of learner you lean towards. Okay, so you're going to do that on your own. I think it's not working because I'm sharing the screen, and it'll be a little different for you as the learner anyway, not the teacher. Okay, this is the first part of your homework. So you're going to get a piece of paper, and if it's the 8.5 by 11 computer size paper, you're going to cut it into a square, because 8.5 and 11 is a rectangle. So make it into a square, and then you're going to try to create this origami star using 3 different ways. So you're going to try the kinesthetic learning way by just scrolling through these instructions. Okay, then you're going to try it again using this listening activity. Yeah, so it's actually two pieces of paper that you need. Okay, and then you're going to try it again using the video, so visual. Okay, so that's the first part of your homework. Okay, then you're going to discuss in the discussion tab with the rest of the students in the class, what learning style did you find most helpful to make your origami star, and why? Okay, so you're going to post your response to the question. You're going to read 3 or 4 posts from your classmates, and then you're going to create a little tally of what everybody else said. Okay, so there's a couple ways to find the discussion. You can just hit this here. Okay, here it is. Oh wow, we've already got some people posting. Okay, so you're going to start a new thread, and you're going to give yourself a title. Video was easy for me. And then you're going to post your 3 or 4 sentences, and then you're going to post it here. Okay, so Henry's already posted his. You can click on his title to read it, and then as more appear, you're going to click on them and read them as well. Okay, the other way to get to the discussion, if you're coming to it after going through the content, is you can just go right to the discussion tab at the top, and you can find it here, 1.1. Okay, so that's the second way to get access to it. All right, so back to content 1.1. So after you're done your discussion, there's another little learning activity, and then the assignment for today or this week is the learning style profile. Okay, so you can go through this. You don't have to submit any of that. You can take a break and then do that next little activity. Look at some different situations. And then there's a little working style assessment quiz. and then this part. So you're going to answer these questions for me, and then you're going to put them into a Google Doc or the assignment tab. Now, there's no link here to assignments, so we go back up to the top, we go into the assignment tab, and we find student profile. Okay, so it's going to look a little different for you. Let me change that. Okay, this is what, oh, sorry, I went to the discussion. Okay, so you can do the answers to your questions right in here, or you can do them in a Google Doc. And if you're going to title your Google Doc, I would title it Student Profile Assignment GLS 1.1. Okay, and then you can answer your questions here. Okay. Oh, I also want to mention that you can also record an audio answering the questions, or you can record yourself with a video answering the questions. I will be the only one to see that because it's in the assignment section. Okay, so if you're doing it in a Google Doc, once you're done, you want to attach it. So you're going to go to Add a File, and you're going to find Google Drive. If you cannot find Google Drive, then I need you to watch another video on how to sync your Google Drive to your Brightspace. We went through that together on Tuesday, and I'll post another video. Okay, so find your file. There's the student profile doc that I just started to create. You're going to upload, and there it is there. And once it's uploaded, you're going to hit the submit button. There we go. Hit the submit button. And it's there. Okay, so there's the questions again. You will also get an email that you've submitted to the assignment tab. Okay, so that's the homework for this week. The homework will be due each week on the Monday night before the next class. So 1.1 for this week is the discussion on your origami experiment that you do with yourself. The student profile question, and then obviously you have to do the origami experiment to answer the discussion question. All right, please email if